sun, light up the earth.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how to do some easy DIY passion twists in your own hair doing the rubber band method. So you want to start with freshly blow dried and washed hair. Then you want to part your hair, and after you part your hair, get your hair parted. You're going to use some cream of nature edge control, and you're going to part your hair, with your sections. Well, yeah, part your hair with your sections. Use the edge control on your section, and then you're going to take some hair growth oil, the wild growth. You can get this from your local beauty supply store. Use that, and then some rubber bands that I use the oil in, and then you're just going to apply that to your hair. So here you're just going to see me using some edge control, put like a dime size amount on your finger. Then you put that on your part, and then you just attach the rubber band to the part, and then voila, you have a part.
So the story go. See, out of a million, you stand as one, they are standing one. I look into your eyes, and what I see is paradise. You captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. I cannot deny this feeling that I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. You cannot take your space. It is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile.
So yeah, you're just gonna apply it to your part. Do what you gotta do with your hair, and it really does not take that long, and it's really easy. Like, I feel like, to me, since I did this by myself, like, and I didn't have any help, it was pretty easy for me. I know there was like another method where like you part your hair and you put the hair in the middle of your hair, then put the rubber band on that, and you didn't have to use a crochet hook, but I didn't really like that method because I just feel like it was taking a long time.
Oh, yeah. I saw the thing go. I saw the story go. You are my African queen, and I know.
I'm just gonna do that with your whole head, and that's what I'm doing here. And after I did this to my whole head, I ended up with, I want to say, about 48 parts. So but I also doubled my stuff, but I'll explain that later.
You are my African queen, and I know that it means that.
So here are my parts, and as you can see, they really don't look bad for real.
Every other day you think of.
48 parts that section my hair all by myself, and I just applied the rubber bands to each part, and it really was not that bad. Here I'm using Freetress water wave hair crochet hook, and I think I used something else, I'm not sure, but I know for a fact I used 4 packs of the Freetress water wave hair, and I brought 6 packs. So I'm just reapplying this part because the rubber band started slipping. You don't want your rubber bands to be too tight, but you never know.
I saw this story go.
So now I'm about to part the hair, separate the hair so I can get the crochet in. This is what the hair looks like fresh out of the pack, and I'm just gonna take 2 strands out of those pieces and twist them together, and then attach them to the latch hook and pull them through and do what I gotta do.
Oh, yeah.
So those are the 2 pieces. You're going to take 2 regular pieces, stretch them out before you just start crocheting your hair. I found out when I got to the top, it was easier for me just to like leave them as is and then stretch after. But for the ones in the back, I just stretched them first.
With your astonishing beauty, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, supernatural thing. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. Yeah, you are my African queen. I say you are the.
So now you're just gonna use the crochet hook and yeah, just, it's really simple. I mean, if you've seen people crochet before, it's really not that difficult to do, but some people can't really get the hang of it, but it's really not that bad. You just pull the latch through close, and then you open it once you get it through your hair, and then you attach the hair into the latch hook, and then you close it securely. I take some edge control and I just attach that to where I'm about to, put it into the latch hook, if that makes sense. And I just pull it through, tie it, make it tight, and boom, twist it on up, baby.
I cannot deny this feeling that I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. You cannot take your space. It is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile. Make me float like a boat upon the...
And your hair that you have in your head, you just want to separate that too. Like after you tie this tight, you want to separate your own hair too into two parts, and you just want to use some edge control and beeswax on your hair, and then you just twist it. And this is what the first twist looks like. It kind of looks trash, but the first couple ones always look trash until you really start getting the feel of how you're doing it. So especially I'm doing it by myself, I can't really see the back of my head either.
Oh, yeah. I saw the thing go. I saw the story go. You are my African queen, and I know. See, I know. You are my African queen, and I know. See, I know. See, I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh, I know that it is love. And I know that this love was only sent from up above. You're the only one that I think of. You are my African queen, and I know that it means that you're the only one that I will serve. I'll give you my heart, my love, my body and my money. Every other day you think of. You know, who could think of anything better than you?
When you get towards the end, it kind of knots up a bit. So you just have to run your fingers through it and just make sure the knots are not really in it. But after you get the knots out, it's really easy twisting process. It's really takes maybe 15 seconds a twist probably.
Ooh, you are my African queen, the girl of my dream. You remind me of Patty. That is the African beauty. I saw this story go.
But it's weird because the rubber band feels like it's sliding, but then it's I don't even know what's going on, so I just can't see back there, and I didn't really have anybody to help me, so I just left it alone. So this is how it looks with one pack and doubled. So one pack doubled.
Ooh, yeah.
So I think it's 16 pieces of the hair in each pack, and I just doubled it.
The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday, you came around my winery with your astonishing beauty. You couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. Well, you are my African queen. I say you are the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. You are my African.
And that's what I was talking about when I was telling you guys how it tingled at the end. Just gotta run your fingers through it, and it'll get untangled.
African beauty. Yeah, I saw this story go. I saw this story go. Ooh. See, out of a million, you stand as one, they are standing one. I look into your eyes, and what I see is paradise. You captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. I cannot deny this feeling that cannot take your place. It cannot take your space. It is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile. Make me float like a boat upon the Nile. Well, you are my African.
So here it is with me using 2 packs. I think I used 2 packs by now. I'm at the end, and as you can see, I only have 2 left, like 2. But I'm just going to give you guys an up close and personal look on how to install it into your hair. So, like I said earlier, you're just gonna do your hair with beeswax. And at this point, I was running low on edge control, so I used beeswax and I used gel. And these 2 items you can get from your local beauty supply store. Once I applied both the beeswax and the gel, as you can see here, into my head. Mind you, the beeswax gets it like hard and kind of like firm, and the gel is just for an extra hold. And actually, I think I got that gel from the dollar store, and it works perfectly fine. So just attach the latch, then just twist the hair, get your right part, attach the hair into the latch. Then you're going to pull through. It should look like that. Pull through, and then remove the hair into 2, and then pull that through, and then just tug it tight, just like that. Then you just want to make sure you like put your rubber band down, and then re-separate your hair again, and then just begin twisting. And it really doesn't take that long.
The girl of my dream, yeah. You remind me of body. That is the African beauty.
And towards the ones in the front, I started like using beeswax along as I started going down. So I would twist, use beeswax, twist, grab more, twist, and just keep going until I got to the end.
Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. And the only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday, you came around my winery with your astonishing beauty. You couldn't make a brother sing.
And that's how it looks at the end. So this is the final look. It's really full. So now I'm just having some mousse, and I'm just gonna apply that to like the top, the ends, all around my head. Just put it all over your head, mousse. This is just gonna keep it nice and the curls nice and tight, so they don't unravel easily and everything like that. I was having fun with this mousse too. Just apply it all over, and then you do your edges and all that other good stuff, and then boom. DIY passion twist, super easy. It took me about, in total, maybe like 8 hours to do. Just because I was doing it on my own head, 8 to 10, because I did it on my own head. So yeah, but thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
You cannot take your space, it is a fact I cannot erase.